Good morning, everybody. It is cold outside. It is cold. But I am at I'm at the Family Dollar, and we are excited to go shopping today. There's some great deals that I'm going to try to get. Band-Aids, maybe toothpaste, some air fresheners, and all that jazz. So let's go inside and have some fun. Today we are going to get the Airwick Vibrant. It is $7, and then there is a $4 off digital coupon, making this just $3. Then you will want to get two of the Irish Springs. They are $5.25. That's $10.50. You're going to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon, making these just $6.50 for 2 of them. Then you're going to get the Colgate toothpaste. I scanned all 3 of these. They all work with the coupon, but they are $2.30. So that comes out to be, is it $6.90 is what they all come out to be. But then we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you're gonna get. These come out to be just $1.90 after the digital coupon. And then you will get one of these Band-Aids for just $2.25. You're gonna use that $1.50 off digital coupon, making these just 75 cents. So here is everything that I got. My total should come out to be $26.65 for everything, but then after the $14.50 of digital coupons and the 5 off of 25, it should come out to be $19.50 in savings. So our grand total should be $7.45. Let's go to the register and see how we do. Okay, so went to Family Dollar. This is the quickest haul I've ever did. Usually I spend like an hour in that store. I don't even know how long I was in that store for. Not even 20 minutes. That's crazy. But I went to the store and I got everything that I wanted on my list. So the Band-Aids, perfectly, everything. It was a new cashier. Never seen her before. Like my total was like 28 something dollars before she hit like the total button, and then it got down all the way to like 8 something dollars after coupons and everything. And she's like, whoa, that's cool. And I'm just like, yeah. So I got the Band-Aids, the 3 tubes of toothpaste, 2 bottles of Irish Spring, and the Airwick, all for, and I did my total, I did my math wrong, but it was for $7.15. 7 items for $7.15. That's $1 to each. Now usually we say don't pay for toothpaste, but Family Dollar, you do pay for toothpaste, but you know, as long as I'm happy with everything that I got. So yeah, that was everything that I got. I'm pretty excited for sharing with you guys some deals. I do want to do some scenarios, but I'm not very good at like scenarios, and I know you guys would probably want stuff like that. I'm kind of thinking of doing something like that. Don't quote me on it, because like with my ambition and my everything that goes on in my head, I don't know how fast I can do it. So just saying, I might eventually do it, but just don't rush me. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this haul, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next Saturday for another Family Dollar haul. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.